I'm the first to spin the wheel. I hope I'll get something delicious. Red, cool! I love strawberries. Smells wonderful.
Lizzie, back off. It's my turn now. What will I get? What? How could it happen that out of everything yellow, I got lemons?
What will I get? Green? Is it a cactus? Are you kidding?
I thought I was unlucky.
It's not funny. That's unfair. Wow, here's a new challenge. Seems exciting. I got sweets. Cool.
Yes! You see, I've got corn.
Red Nutella? Interesting. I want to be the first.
Okay.
Smells tasty. Can't wait to try it. Mmm, that's rather unusual, but I like it.
Yummy.
Stop! Feels like something's gone wrong. It's hot. Nutella with pepper. That's a trick. I'm gonna explode now.
Oh no, Lizzie! I know how to help! Look out!
Ugh, it helped. Thank you, Nick. Though there's nothing we can do to help my Nutella. It's burnt.
Oh no!
Indeed, bad luck. So I'm next.
Okay.
I love corn very much. Oh no, it needs more spices. Let's add some salt and pepper to improve the taste. Great, this is exactly what I wanted. Idea! I think I know how to eat this corn quickly. The drill will turn the ear, and I will only need to use my mouth. Ready? That's genius, isn't it? I don't care. Lola, your turn now.
Finally, I'm dying to learn how my sweets taste. I'll try one.
Wow!
Ugh, what a disaster. It's so sour, impossible to eat. What are you doing here? Performing tricks? I've got a trick for you too. The yellow are for Nick. The red are for Lizzie. It's gonna be great fun now. Hey guys, wanna have some sweets? They're tasty.
Come on!
Why not? Give them to us. It's time to have fun. So how is it?
Delicious!
Wait, I don't get it. It must be the color that made them tastier. Oh no, it's still very sour. Wanted to play a trick on us? Not so fast. I was just kidding.
What's that?
Salad? Ugh.
What a smell!
Seems like I'm the only one lucky here.
Ow!
Lola, you're the first.
Smells awful. I'm not a cow to eat grass. Well, I've got no choice. This is a challenge. Finally.
Come on, you're gonna make it.
Yeah!
Yes, yes. Oh, I have an idea. I've got a pot with some earth in it. I'm gonna plant a bush of lettuce.
Why? What are you gonna do with it?
I'll decide when it grows, and now I'll water it.
Wow!
Cool, it's so tall. Well done, me. While you're pretending to be a gardener, I'll try my huge lollipop. Tastes so sweet. And so delicious. Cool. It's only hard to eat it. Idea.
Stop! Security comes first. Lola, put it on.
You ready?
We're ready. Look out! Yow!
2 pieces.
Indeed, Lizzie, that was cool.
Aha! Now it's easier to eat. I won't need the stick anymore. The tastiest part is on the table. Cool. I like it so much. Wanna try it? You won't get it. Go eat your stinky cheese.
What a stink. I'm gonna be sick. It tastes pretty good. I even like it.
Oh my, how can you eat that? Disgusting.
Come on, the smell isn't that disgusting. Where are you going? Strange.
Lola, we need to save the situation. Air fresheners may help.
I understand nothing, but it's very interesting.
Good job.
Wow.
Seems like I'm lucky this time. A Kit Kat.
My favorite chips.
Tomatoes? Okay.
Cool. I'll be the first. Oh, smells wonderful. It makes my mouth water.
Oh, yeah.
That's so tasty. Hands off! These are my chips.
We'll see. After this prank, Nick won't be that greedy anymore. The idea's cool. Ready? Help yourself.
What a wonderful day. What? Where are all my chips? Tell me the truth. Is it you who did that? Disaster. You killed my mood.
I don't like vegetables, but there's no choice. No, I'm not gonna eat raw tomatoes. I'll make spaghetti sauce out of them. Ready. That's better. Pasta with tomato sauce is far tastier. It's time to try it.
Looks very delicious.
That's exactly what I wanted. Really tasty. Smells gorgeous. That was amazing. Lola, your turn now. I got a green Kit Kat. I haven't seen it before. Wow, this is the tastiest Kit Kat that I've ever tried.
What do you have there? Haha, it's payback time for my chips. Wasabi is green too. She won't notice anything.
I want to eat everything at once. Ah, it's so hot. It hurts badly.
Hey, why are you spitting it out?
Oh, that wasn't on purpose. Nick, your prank has turned out against you.
Wow. What is it now? Mmm, sweets. I love them. As far as I know, the yellow are the best. I'll take as many as I can.
So how is it?
Wow. Cool. Look, I'll do a stunt. How do you like it? Has everyone seen it?
Yes, Nick. Well done. I got an avocado. So first, I cut it into 2 halves. Great. All I need is to try it. Ugh, bad idea. I don't like it. Though I know a cool moisturizing mask recipe.
Hey, how many fingers?
4. Oops. I better be more attentive. Back to my mask. I'll mash the avocado flesh, and it's ready to be put on the face.
Looks so-so.
But it hydrates my skin. What is it? A crawfish? It's so ugly. What should I do with it? You're funny.
What's going on?
Ouch! It hurts! Get it off of me! Ah! It's on my nose! Seems like he doesn't want to be friends. Oh no, my mask is spoiled.
Don't worry, it didn't really fit you. LOL.
Mr. Crawfish, you're free to go. I got a green muffin. Looks nice.
Fried eggs, cool.
Raw meat. Ugh, disgusting. If you don't mind, I'll start. Yes. I wonder what it tastes like. Wow, my favorite chocolate sponge cake.
Look at you.
No one makes you look at us. I think it's very tasty. Ugh, how am I supposed to eat that piece? I need to make up something. Idea! Friction makes my hands warm. Nick, help me.
Sure, you're welcome.
Ideal! My steak is almost ready. How has she made it? You should have learned physical science at school. I was a brilliant student, and now I'm eating a delicious steak instead of raw meat.
Wow.
It just melts in my mouth. Delicious.
Yes.
Nick, your turn.
Hooray! Finally, I'm already hungry. Well… seems like something has gone wrong. What's the matter? Wait! That is jelly! Can't believe it!
Wow.
Wow.
I love jelly. It also looks very cool.
Well, Nick doesn't see. Let's play a prank on him. He surely doesn't expect to find the real eggs instead of the jelly ones. Hey, Nick, close your eyes. I'll put the jelly into your mouth. That's gonna be fun. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh! Are these real eggs?
Exactly. You're so funny. Nick, you've got all dirty.
Having fun, you? How do you like that?
Indeed, Nick. You're dangerous to play pranks on.
This time we've got drinks.
Wow.
Once again, I've got something horrible.
What is it?
I like everything for now.
Wow!
I'll start then. I love strawberries. My favorite berries. The drink is delicious too. Wait! This glass is strange. It's made of jelly, so I can eat it too.
Lizzie, why are you eating the glass?
Ah, yes. Don't pay attention. Nick, your turn now.
Okay, let's see what it is.
Okay.
The liquid is rather strange. That's honey!
Ugh, looks horrible.
You're right. I've overdone it a bit. Oh, there's nothing left. Ooh. Lola, your turn.
Okay, I wasn't planning to drink that, but it seems like I have to. Ugh, how disgusting!
Haha, great idea. Everything's gonna be perfect. I'm the king of pranks. Ugh, what a smell.
Come on, Lola, collect yourself. You'll manage to drink it up to the end. Look, the show is starting. That's it. I'm strong-willed as never before. The faster I drink it, the faster it ends.
Oh.
Strange. This time it tastes differently. It's very hot. So our plan failed. Oh no, I only got a small bottle.
It's tiny. Mine is way better. Whoa!
Wow.
Roxy, start.
Must be yummy. Done with the cap. Ready to try. It's really nice. And it's already over. Hey, Nick, are you dreaming? It's your turn.
Okay.
Oh yes, I love Snickers.
How do you like that?
Hey, what are you doing? Now I'm dirty from tip to toe. Okay, fine. There will be revenge. My drink. It's all gone. Ah, April.
Somebody has bad luck. Where to start from? Got it. Ah! April, stop it! Okay, just a second. Now I'm wet too.
Hold on, I got an idea.
I don't get it. Why did it finish so quickly? What is this? Nick? Roxy? What is going on here?
We didn't do anything.
I'm not lucky again. Look at this! Wow, a huge gummy worm. It's only mine. I have to deal with what I got. Idea.
I don't think it's a good one.
Just fine. I will pump it up, so the worm will become bigger. Oops, something went wrong.
No surprise at all. Now it's me. It's so sweet.
Look! I got him again. How'd you like a real worm?
It's alive!
Oh no, take it off of me!
Oops.
I didn't mean to do it. Roxy, is it your trick? How did I guess it right away?
Deal with it yourselves. I will cope with this tasty thing. It's so delicious. It'll be better with a fork and knife. Mouth-watering pieces. Yeah, it tastes amazing. It was wonderful. Is it a joke? M&M's candy.
Whoa, it's so heavy! April, what are you thinking about? Boo!
Ah! Nick, why are you scaring me? How should I catch it now? Got it. You're lucky this time. Yummy! I'm done. Roxy, quick, give it a try. How should I eat it? Remember, my bestie is a witch. She gave me this potion.
What's happening? Roxy, you were getting smaller!
It's cool, isn't it? Now my candy is just enormous. Ugh, I'm so full.
That's some magic! Though my sweet is still bigger. Ouch! It's so hard! Got it. I always have a bat for such cases. Don't be afraid, I'll be gentle.
Hey, crumbs are flying all around.
Don't worry, I've already finished. What's wrong with you?
Oh boy, Nick. Share at least.
What is this?
It is a Hubba Bubba. Oh wow, it's so big.
You have bigger ones. So unfair. What should I do with it? I can barely see it.
I hope you'll be full.
Have fun. We'll see who will beat another one. By the way, I got an idea. April, give me your hairpin. Now I need it more. Way better like this. Now I have a diamond ring, handmade. Who should I give it to? Definitely not April. Roxy, this is for you!
Nick, it's all covered with spit!
I tried so hard.
Don't get too upset. Meanwhile, I'll eat my gum. I'll do something better. What can be better than gum? Now you'll see. A few more seconds. Done! I got a lollipop made of gum! Cool, isn't it?
So-so.
You don't get it, Nick. Finally, I can try this delightful thing. I have never ever seen so much gum.
How can you eat all of it?
Oh no! Too much gum! Where are you going?
Does it really matter? Now we can have all of our gum.
So delicious! Ah! Seems she's got some problems.
Let's make a rescue trampoline.
Hope it was a soft landing. I'll never eat gum again. What a tiny ice cream. I have a normal one.
Yoo-hoo! A large huge jar of ice cream. What are you all looking at? April, go first.
I believe it will be tasty. I'll make a little ice cream cone out of it. It'll be even better with a waffle. Pretty good indeed. My turn. There was a spoon somewhere.
A spoon? I'll find it in a moment. Here it is. Oh, I dropped it by accident. You have to eat it as it is.
You are such a nasty boy. Whatever, I can eat with my hands.
Roxy, you're all dirty. No, it doesn't matter because it's my turn. I don't think I need a spoon. I came up with something cooler.
What do you need a hairdryer for?
I'm making the most delicious ice cream milkshake. Only need a straw, and I can drink.
Looks awesome. Totally agree.
I don't get it. Where's all the ice cream?
What?
Where did everything go? Roxy, April, you ate all of it.
What bad luck.
I love Fanta. Yours is just giant.
Oh yeah, April, you go first. How should I open it? I can't. I know. Some dental tools may help me. Don't be afraid. I won't treat your teeth. But now I can easily open this can. Of course, it won't affect the size of my bottle. But still, I can have a sip. Oh no, it's already over. Nick, you're next.
Great. Fanta is my favorite drink. And I know the way to make it even tastier. I need a blender, Fanta, and some ice. Mix it up all together nicely. Now I have a Fanta-flavored slush. I'm a genius. Time to give it a try. It's so cool! Incredible! Oh, my brain is freezing! Blah. Go on, Roxy, it's your turn.
Great! I've been waiting. I won't be able to deal with such a huge can without a straw. That's for sure. I also know how to make this drink better. I'll make a jelly out of it. Add some gelatin and shake it up a bit. Wow! Ready. The most difficult thing is left. How to get the jelly out of the jar. Ouch! Failed! I have a better option.
Roxy, are you out of your mind?
Step back, I'm jumping! What is it? Oops, but the jelly turned out to be very yummy. A whole box of French fries? I must be dreaming. April, let's start with you. With great pleasure. I love French fries, but it will be better with the sauce. The more the better.
Do you think it's a good idea?
Sure, it's very delicious.
April, you're so dirty!
At least I've enjoyed my favorite fries. I wish there were more.
Come on!
Well, it's my turn now. I also like French fries very much. It's a pity I only have 10 packs. Roxy is so lucky. I have an idea. Hey, Roxy!
Oh my, Nick! Don't make me jump!
I meant it. Eat quickly.
It's boring to eat like this. I've got a better idea.
What?
What are you doing? You'll learn it soon. When I grow up, I'd like to be a constructor. Mom thinks I've got a bit of a talent. Look what a tall tower I can build from the French fries.
A constructor? Let's test it to destruction. Attention! A storm warning with a chance of ketchup.
Nick, you spoiled it once again.
Waste sour sweets. Seems like I'm in trouble.
I'm lucky to have only one. It's so sour!
What's gonna happen to me?
Roxy, it's your turn now. I need to get rid of this sour taste. Even a little bit. I have an idea. I'll put all the sweets on the board. And now, ready or not, here I come.
Hey, the sweets powder is flying right at us! Be careful!
That's it. Now I have some sour powder instead of sweets. I'll take my favorite strawberry and dip it into it. Must be delicious. Oh, it's extremely sour anyway. Stop laughing, Nick. It's your turn now.
No!
Woo, no choice. I've gotta eat it. I've coped with a cap. Okay, let's do it quickly.
He's going to be sick.
Disaster! It's so sour!
Look, Nick's saliva is gnawing the table. We need to help him. Eat some sugar, Nick. You'll feel better.
It's over! I always knew that the sweet is the best remedy. Lucky, April. So many hot dogs. Whatever, one is good too. Hey, where's the sausage? Have I eaten it accidentally? Oh no!
Poor Nick. You must be out of luck. Unlike me. They're so delicious.
You're eating it so yummily, and my roll isn't tasty at all. Idea!
A cool idea. Here you are.
Great. While Roxy's chewing and suspects nothing, I'll add a couple of drops of hot sauce in her hot dogs.
They're so cool. And that one is strange. Why is it so hot? Disaster! What was it? Oh no! My hot dogs have turned into coals!
Look at you. You're so funny.
Finally, it's my turn. Now this bunch of hot dogs will disappear for good. You'd better have a drink after that.
April, look at your belly now.
Oh no, my perfect shape! No, it's no good at all. Guys, I'll be back soon. A bit of exercise and I'll get into shape. Disappear, you nasty belly! Ugh, I'm so tired.
April, you look great. Hubba bubba bubble gum. And only one for me again. Wow.
Nick, open yours quickly.
Mmm, smells so sweet. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm the fastest bubblegum eater. April, time me.
Come on, you can do it.
That's it.
You've broken your own record. Congratulations. My turn now. Wait a sec. I know how to play a trick on Nick. It's gonna be fun. Boo!
Ah, Mommy! Oh, April, it's you. I knew that.
Yes, it's me. Roxy, your turn now. Finally, I can't wait to start.
This is what I call speed.
Delicious. Roxy, you're going to explode. Nothing of the kind. Look what a huge bubble.
Wow.
Roxy, where are you flying to?
Seems like she's stuck to it. Let's help her. Give me your gum.
Uh-oh.
It's important to hit the target.
I hope it was a soft landing. Say that again. Broccoli, ugh, horrible. I hate it so much. The worst food in the world. Oh no, it's the most horrible thing I've ever tried.
Hey, you.
Roxy, your turn now. Indeed. It tastes awful. Maybe it'll be better when cooked. Fried food is always tastier than the raw, especially if it's deep fried. Seems like it's ready. Well, it still smells disgusting. And it tastes awful too.
What did you expect? Oh, it's my turn now. Come on, Nick. You can do it. It's so disgusting. No, I can't eat it like this. I'll try to make a broccoli cocktail. I've seen it in one show.
Forget anything?
Okay, I thought it would work out. Almost ready. Ugh, smells disgusting. Ugh, it's even worse now. What if I add some spices? It may help.
Drink it quickly.
I'll drink it at once, and that's it.
Let me help you.
Hey, what are you doing? Well, at least I didn't have to drink that trash.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Olala, not to miss new funny challenges.